Welcome back! Today ay gagawa tayo ng no oven cheese bread pudding. Welcome to Fria's Kitchen. Please subscribe and click bell button para lagi kayong ma-notify sa aming next video. Ingredients: leftover bread, 3 pieces egg, 1/2 cup evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon vanilla, 1/4 cup condensed milk, 1/2 grated cheese, bake pan with paper wax and foil for cover. Instructions: lagyan natin ng oil ang round pan at lagyan ng wax paper sa loob. I-cut natin ang leftover bread into small pieces, then lagyan sa loob ng round pan, then set aside muna. Sa isang mixing bowl, i-beat ang eggs. Lagyan ng evap milk, condensed milk, vanilla essence at half portion ng grated cheese. At haluin mabuti. Ilagay ang mixture at egg sa round pan over the bread. I-soak ito ng 2 minutes. At lagyan ng grated cheese on top. Lagyan ng cover ng foil. Painitin ang pan for 10 minutes at ilagay lamang sa mahinang apoy. Lutuin natin ito sa loob ng 40 to 45 minutes. Ayan, luto na ang ating no-oven cheese bread pudding. Palamagin muna natin ito bago i-serve. Sana nagustuhan nyo. See you in my next video. Bye-bye! Thank you for watching! Kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe na at i-click ang bell button para always updated kayo sa aming new video. Thank you! Bye!